Do you really know what's covered under your homeowner's insurance policy? Stay tuned and I'll tell you 5 questions you need to ask to make sure you're covered. Hello, I'm Therese Goldsmith, Insurance Commissioner for the state of Maryland. The Maryland Insurance Administration is the state agency that you can turn to if you have any questions about insurance. Don't wait until your home has been damaged by a fire, tornado, or other event to learn what is covered or excluded from coverage under your homeowner's insurance policy. Every year, you should review your policy with an insurance professional to make certain that you have the appropriate coverage. When reviewing your policy, here are some questions you should ask. What are the limits of coverage for damage to my property, and are they adequate? This applies to the limits on your home itself and your belongings inside your home. What are the liability limits and medical payment limits? For example, if someone is injured while visiting your home, will the limits be adequate to cover the medical expenses? What is the deductible, which is the amount you are responsible for paying when you file a claim for a covered loss? And does the amount of the deductible depend on the type of loss? Many policies have different deductibles for different types of losses, such as a fixed dollar amount for fires and thefts, and a higher percentage deductible for damage caused by hurricanes or other storms. Does your policy pay replacement cost or actual cash value for damaged property in the event of a loss? If you have a replacement cost policy, then your policy will cover the cost of replacing the damaged property up to policy limits without any deductions for depreciation. If you have an actual cash value policy, the policy will cover the cost to replace your damaged property up to the limit of the insurance policy minus the depreciation costs for age and use. For example, if at the time of loss your roof was 15 years old and had a 20-year life expectancy, your cost to replace the roof will exceed the actual cash value of the roof. If the policy provides for replacement cost, does that apply to all damaged property, or are there limitations for damage to certain types of property, such as roofs or other surfaces? Should you purchase coverage for earthquakes or flooding? Remember that homeowners' policies generally do not cover flood damage. However, you can purchase a separate flood insurance policy. Also, a homeowner's insurance policy generally does not provide any type of coverage against damage caused by an earthquake or any type of earth movement, including mudslides. Some companies will sell additional coverage for this type of damage. Learn more by visiting our website or by calling us at 1-800-492-6116. Thank you for watching.